Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with one of my favorite days of the month, the April Magical Mystery Bead Box. I have cheated and I looked through the whole thing. Normally I don't do that, but I didn't have time to film the video and I really wanted to know what was in here. This month is Stories of the Sea. It's interesting because around this time last year, Jesse James Beads also did an ocean box, and I actually brought that box with me to the temporary apartment I'm in because I wanted to play with it. Of course, I still haven't found time to play with it, but let's see what's in this one. I haven't looked through the mixes or anything, but I did look to see what was in here. So we have some Chain Reaction. This is the beautiful aqua blue. We have some, I think it's Trite Line. I've never heard that before. Triple Thunder Polished Strand. So we've got a pink, like a bluey gray, and a green blue metallic. We got the Glass Beach strand, and they protected them by putting plastic around them, so that's good. Oh, that's really fun. I love this like glowy pearl that's on here. We got ceramic bead, a crystal teardrop, some daisy spacers. Ooh, that's a cool shape. Almost looks like African glass. I know it's not, but it's really cool shape. A big ceramic bead, some crystal rondelle spacers, emerald cut crystal, and then it repeats. So I really like that. That's pretty cool. I haven't really looked, like I said, I didn't look closely at everything. I just kind of peeked. We had At the Docks, and it's a cord set. So we've got some like rope looking, like canvas looking cord, and then a leather cord, and then some cord ends. I'm thinking this is Message in a Bottle mini bead mix. See what's in here. So we've got some teeny tiny bead caps. These are cute. These little squat melons. Some elongated teardrops. I like those. I haven't seen those before. And if I have, I forgot about them. We have some little cubes. Some flat disc spacers. Some little bicones in like a champagne color. And there is another shape here. I don't know. It's like another bicone, I think. I don't know if this is different or they're just smaller. I think they're the same. All right, so that was a cute little mix. Next we have the Beachcomber mix. And don't forget, check the description of this video. I have a 10% off coupon for Jesse James Beads on your entire order. So if you wanted to order a box, order a subscription, use that coupon code. These are such a cool shape. I love them. Those are beautiful. Those are some eye-catching crystals. And then we've got some teardrops. Some shell discs. I like these. They're top drilled. That is fun. 2 ovals. So shimmery. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Like I said, I had not gone through these mixes. This is so pretty. It's like a little mother of pearl drop in resin surrounded by gold. Some peach or ivory peachy crystal rondelles, and they have an AB. Some matte, like sand colored rounds. Some metal spacers. Some matte rounds again, but just in clear. Some clear crystal rondelles with an AB. And then some like champagne crystal rondelles. And then some larger bead caps. In a magnetic clasp, but that's pretty cool. Everything you need to make a necklace and or a bracelet. Next we have what's this called? Sea Glass. So Sea Glass bead set. This is so much fun. Oh, more of these guys. I really like these. They're nice teal. They look like little, it's just a shape that you don't see very often. Some round green. They're all matte. Some little teardrops. These remind me, I always say this when I see this shape, the movie Flubber. Like usually I see this shape in green and that's what it reminds me of, but yeah. And then this is a cool shape. We're going to see a lot of different people making some cool stuff out of this box. Again, more of that shape, and then some really cool flat squares. And I think that's it for this one, but there's such a good, I like those colors obviously, and I love sea glass, or faux sea glass I should say. And then this one is Castaway Treasures bead mix. Okay. Oh no, I dropped one. Okay, we have some crystal rondelle spacers. We have a large shell, so beautiful pendant. Gosh, that's really pretty. Love the gold edges. Oh, these are cute. 2 different sizes. There's 3 different sizes? 4 different. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 4 different sizes of mermaid tails. That's interesting. That is cute, and I haven't seen these before. Very fun, or fish fins, or whatever you want to call them. Beautiful teal, like matte color. So these 2 are the same color, and these 2 are just a shade lighter. But I love them. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize that they were different sizes. Ooh, a really pretty abalone shell bead. This is gorgeous. I think we got one of these last year, but I can't remember if it was in the same box. Oh, another one. Love those. And then some cute little shell charms. Beautiful. Oh, cute. They're different colors. I love this box. Very cute. My favorite, I would say my favorite is this bead and this mix. I think this is a really cohesive box. Yeah, I think that's pretty interesting. You can also tag the mystery bead box in their group, and they have a group on Facebook. They actually have 2 groups on Facebook. And look, there's a cute little Sailor's Legend of Mermaid Tears. One stormy night, a boat with all of its crew was about to be lost at sea. A mermaid who was in love with one of the sailors used her powers to calm the wind and the waves. Neptune imprisoned her forever to the depths of the ocean doing so. Her tears for her lost love traveled ashore in the form of iridescent pearls and sea glass. Oh my goodness, I've never heard that before. That's sad. I'm bummed out now. But it's a pretty cool story. Anyway, I love this picture. If you're interested in saving 10% off of your order, the coupon code for this month is Chavers10. Double check the description. There's a link there of this video to Jesse James Beads and has all the information. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite piece was, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Are we in the car? We're going to go see your new house. Yeah. Oh.